Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is introduction of tenses. What is tense? Tense is a form of the verb that allows you to express time. Alright? Like for example, I'm John, I like football and usually play this sport every day. So, did you notice the sentence indicates the action of the state of an action or existence, whether the action is over, on, or yet to happen? So, it indicates the present time, the time that is past, or the time that is to come. So, we have three main tenses pertaining to time, that is, the present tense, the past tense, and the future tense. Alright, so what is present tense? Present tense, it tells us about what is happening currently. The daily routines and habits, your facts, habitual actions comes under present tense. Like for example, I live in USA. I am in class 10th. Okay, now let us see the past tense, the actions which is already completed. Okay, for example, I lived in USA. I was in class 9th last year. Now if we see the future tense, what will happen later in future? Like for example, I will live in USA. I will be in class 11th next year. So what structure we will be using in these tenses? Now let us see. In simple present tense, we use first form of verb, whereas in simple past tense, we use second form of verb, that is V2 form. And in simple future tense, we use will be plus first form of verb. Alright, the examples are like for example, if I say I am a teacher, this sentence is in present tense. Whereas if we see I was a teacher, nothing but this sentence was in past tense. Now if I say I will be a teacher, this sentence comes under simple future tense. Remember, please learn the structures carefully so that you will be identifying the examples easily. Now if we see the second example, he is a teacher. So what will be the past tense of this sentence? Yes, he was a teacher. Very good. Now how do you convert this into a future tense? Yes, the form we will be using here is will be plus V1 form. So he will be a teacher. So the remaining examples you have to learn it carefully. Okay, now let us see the tenses. How many tenses are there in English grammar? So basically we have 12 tenses in English grammar. So each time has four aspects. As you can see, in present tense we have simple present tense, we can say, or indefinite simple, we can say. Whereas the second one is the present continuous or progressive, you can say. The third is the present perfect tense, and the fourth is the present perfect continuous tense. So in the next tenses also we will be having the four same aspects. Please do follow the same aspects in the next tenses of past tense as well as in future tense. Now let us see the rules of these tenses. Present simple form, present progressive, present perfect progressive form. So what is the structure of that? Present simple form, subject plus V1 plus object. Like for example, he drives a car. Whereas if we see present progressive, the structure will be subject plus am or is or are plus verb ing form plus object. Like for example, he is driving a car. Next, present perfect tense. The structure is subject plus have or has plus V3 plus object. Like for example, he has driven a car. Now let us see present perfect progressive. Like the structure is subject plus has or have plus been plus verb ing form plus object. For example, he has been driving a car. In the same way, the simple past tense structure will be subject plus V2 plus object, past progressive, subject plus was or were plus verb ing plus object, past perfect, the structure will be subject plus had plus V3 plus object. The next is past perfect progressive. The structure will be subject plus had plus been plus verb plus object, VING plus object. In the same way, simple future form, subject plus will plus V1 plus object. Future progressive, subject plus will be plus verb ing plus object. Whereas if we see future perfect tense, subject plus will have plus V3 plus object. Next is the future perfect progressive. The structure is subject plus will have plus been plus verb ing form plus object. So, well, with this, we have completed the introduction part of tenses, including the present tense, past tense, and the future tense with examples. So, I hope you have understood. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye.